What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am heading to Tyler's shop, Ice Cold Air Auto and Muffler over there in Orlando. Rob's going over there with the C7 with the Corvette, and he's getting an X pipe swap. He's gonna put a Borla X pipe, I believe, and he's deleting the secondary, you know, so to get a little more noise, because I think it's pretty quiet. I drove it the other day. Felt awesome. Driving a Corvette's really nice. It has lumbar support, like this one doesn't have it. But we're gonna go over there, see the X-Pipe swap, get some sound before and after, get some drive-bys and stuff, and then I'm probably gonna ride with him and just talk a little bit about the Corvette and introduce it to the channel. So yeah, just gonna drive here through my favorite spot every time I leave the house. Got some good turns. I'm gonna put the windows down so you can hear the MBRP scream a little bit. And after that, we'll cue the intro and we'll skip into we get to Tyler's shop, yeah? So hopefully you enjoy everything. Here we go. This car's a monster through turns. Those turns. This car is awesome. I can't wait to take it to the firm, which we're going here in a couple weeks. It's gonna be awesome. So cue the intro and we'll see you at Tyler's shop. So quiet. Or start. That's with the flaps open? Yeah. What brand is the X-Pipe?
Borla.
Huh?
Borla.
Borla. Borla X-Pipe. Switching and getting rid of those two. This is what Rob had. Little X-Pipe with the secondary meows. We took that out. You have it. Got the new X-Pipe. The delete. Putting that together. Look at these big old mufflers. Those need to go away. That's next.
still quiet as fuck.
Don't take it out. Oh, that's much better. I'll be like, don't take it out, take the mufflers out first. No, well, that sounds good. When you're doing that earlier, you couldn't hear shit. Woo, so close. Looks so good. We're gonna go for some drives and get some food. Pretty good, pretty good. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Sounds way better, way better. Sound different. You hear it now. Let's take this road and at some point we'll turn around and come back. There's nice views. Alright, so we're in Rosvet C7 Grand Sport. What color is this orange?
Sea green orange.
Sea green orange. So I drove it the other day. He offered for me to drive it now, but I drove it the other day. I wanted to drive that way I can talk. We just did X-pipe swap and secondary driving around to listen to the difference. Right off the back on the startup, it's a little louder. On the idle, you don't notice it much on the idle. It's pretty good keeping the tone on the idle, but when you rev it and you get on and on load, it's definitely louder. And it's a good, like, not obnoxious loud. It's a good loud. It still has the stock mufflers, right? They call MPP too, like on the Camaro MPP. So it has the active valve, which he always keeps open because, like I said, until you get on it, it's a good tone. It's not super loud. So, ooh, yeah. I drove it the other day, and the difference from my car, I mean, this 8-speed, 10-speed, you can tell the 10-speed is a little quicker, but this car being lighter, it's the same engine. So it sounds good. It drives awesome. You know, this has, is it like 12 on the back?
12.
And those are 19s, 20s, so it's 20 by 12, so it's 1 inch wider in the back and 1 inch wider in the front too. Those are 11s?
No, now I have 10s.
Oh, with the aftermarket, those are 10s. Yeah, still, but it's a way bigger tire than mine. So this car, in that, I mean, you know, the way it is, like, so super low, super wide, bigger tires, this is definitely planted. I actually like it, the way I sit on it, I like it more than the Camaro. You have way more visibility. Plus this has cool seats, which right now is like super hot and it's like so nice. I don't have that. And this has lumbar support too. I don't have that shit on my Camaro.
I think I have it on this side too.
This one has lumbar support? Yeah, this side doesn't matter. It's mostly on the other side because you're always driving. But oh yeah, it's nice.
But these gates are long, so like you need space.
Yeah, but I like it because, you know, this is like the Camaro still. This you have more visibility, but still when you sit over there, it's still like everything is kind of geared turned towards you. So it's like your own little side over there. So it feels sporty. You can see out pretty good. It's like, but it's super wide. When I drove it the other day, I couldn't. It took me a minute to kind of get adjusted, and I didn't even driven that long, like to get adjusted. Like I saw a mailbox on that side, and I pulled all the way out because I felt the car was like so wide out there. And out here, you sit higher out here than you sit over there too. Yeah. But still, with good visibility over there too.
I also put my seat on this.
When I sat on it, it was low too. But you still got good visibility though compared to the Corvette. I mean the Camaro.
I guess the one downfall for this car is the transmission.
But on the transmission, if it's like Danny's, it's tunable, so it'll be good.
Yeah,
like from stock, there's a good delay on. Is it every shift has delays?
Yeah, I would say every shift.
Like some cars, usually it's maybe the first or second, and all the other ones are good. But when I rode Danny's car, I did.
No, I'm supposed to say.
Huh?
No, I don't drive it like this.
No? Yeah, I drive the cars. Danny's car, I did feel the delay on it when it was stock.
This also has the infamous, if you go into manual mode, even if it's in drive, you have to shift.
Yep.
It won't shift forward.
Yeah, my Camaro does the same, 2021. It doesn't matter what you do. Once you're on manual mode, you have to shift. You're on the paddles. If you don't shift, it's going to hit that ledge and it's going to be like, whatever.
So you can kind of see the shift now. Like the second and then a shift. It's not long,
yeah, but there's a little delay on there. So if you're in the low gears and you're not paying attention, it just takes off. You have to be on point, hitting on time.
It's not PDK and DSG.
Do you know if this car hits a red limiter or it just shuts you down? Like the Camaro shuts you down.
It shuts you down.
Yeah. It's like, nope.
It's like psych.
Yep. So I think, sounds good. I think Marty mentioned it, but yeah, Rob, Corvette, RS3 is gone.
Yes.
The Supra is gone. You never saw the Porsche in the video? No.
Short-lived.
Short-lived. Yeah, we never saw that one in the video. We took a lot of pictures. You see some pictures on Instagram and stuff, but no videos. And then now the Grand Sport, which he had already, but the dealer messed that up, and that one short-lived too because of the dealer. But now he's back in the Grand Sport, and I think he's happy. I like it. It's good color, drives awesome, it looks awesome, and it's got some stuff coming for it eventually here soon. Yeah, you saw it at the track. So at the track he did 12. Was your fastest was at 12.4 when I was on course?
I want to say 111 or 112 around there.
Yeah. So he did a 12.4, but he was. Yeah. There's the Camaro. So he did a 12.4, but when I started talking to him, he was in track and he was in Sport 1. You said?
I was in Sport 1 in track.
Yeah, he was in track Sport 1, which when you go on track and you go into one of the modes in track, it's a PTM mode, so it's kind of for the circuit track. So watching this, I was making a U-turn. So it's for the circuit track, so it controls, like the PTM modes have different modes of traction, and even the engine control is different too. You don't have full control, I think until you go to Sport 2 maybe. I know race mode you do, I don't remember.
I think after Sport 2 you get almost everything turned off except for some of the stability stuff, and then race everything. So,
yeah, race everything, yeah. But mainly like the power. So he ran a 12.4, but his car wasn't full power because of the mode he's in, I think. So when we go back to the track, we'll figure that out, switch it, and see how much it runs. These are light cars, and they grip, so I think it should be quicker, even though it was like super hot.
It was.
Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoy the sounds of the exhaust. Took some pictures. We'll always post pictures. You get to see that. So yeah, like Marty said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, find out what's coming up next, and let us know in the comments what you think. Peace.